Okay, guys, today we are going to be doing more inequalities, but we are going to be working in DeltaMath. So there's one assignment of 30 problems with 3 sections in it. So let's talk about section 1. All right, so it's going to be standard inequality. You're going to follow your rules. First part, we will solve the inequality. We will add 6 to both sides, and that will not impact the inequality. So we will get 6x is less than or equal to negative 24. Be dividing both sides by a positive 6. And again, dividing by a positive will not impact the inequality. So this will become x is less than or equal to negative 4. Now, as we switch over and type in our answer, you're going to see up top we have these symbols. If I wanted to change it, I could hit backspace once, and then it will go from a less than or equal to a less than. I'm going to delete that again and put back in the less than or equal to. Less than or equal to negative 4. And now we're going to go down and graph this on the number line. So we need to drag and drop here. So click and drag all the way out, less than or equal to negative 4. Okay. Now, on to the next question. Let's see. Okay. Still pretty basic. We're going to be adding 7 to both sides. Adding 7 to both sides, that's going to give us 8x is less than, as these cancel, 40. Divide both sides by a positive 8. Nothing will have to flip. We only flip in the event of multiplying or dividing by a negative value. And this is going to give me x is less than 5. Okay, so once again, x, I'll click on the less than or equal to, but I want a less than, not an equal to, so I'll hit backspace just one time. And it goes from less than or equal to a less than. You could also use the keyboard shift period. Shift comma. Now we're going to find 5, click and drag. This is a less than, not an equal to, so I'll click that dot to make sure. Click close circle and change it to an open circle. And that's not changing, so let's see what's happening here. Just erase everything. Okay, for whatever reason, this is not unclicking, so it's going to mark me wrong. Let's tap here. There we go. And let's do one more for good measure. So subtracting 6 from both sides, we get 2x is greater than or equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2, and x is going to be greater than or equal to 5. So in none of these cases did we have to worry about the inequality flipping, but we're still going to pay attention and look for those types of problems. Okay, so click and drag from 5 and click submit.